It turns out the profound calm you feel from chamomile isn't just some gentle placebo effect. Its active compound, apigenin, literally whispers to your neurons, instructing them to dampen the hyperactive electrical chatter that makes your heart pound. We're about to decode precisely how this humble flower sends biological signals deep into your nervous system, orchestrating a symphony of relaxation that reaches your very heartbeat. You'll uncover how specific chamomile compounds act like expert key holders, unlocking the body's intrinsic deceleration pathways, directly impacting your heart's rhythm and your entire physiological state of peace. Think about those moments when your heart is fluttering, when a subtle anxiety begins to grip you. You reach for that warm cup, inhaling the sweet, herbaceous aroma, and a wave of calm begins to wash over you. It's a universal experience, almost ritualistic, but have you ever wondered what truly shifts beneath the surface? It's not just your mind settling down. This plant is initiating a highly sophisticated biological dialogue. Imagine your central nervous system as a sprawling metropolitan area, constantly buzzing with traffic and signals. When stress hits, it's like rush hour gridlock, with alarms blaring and every pathway overflowing. Chamomile isn't merely a soothing balm applied to the chaos. It's more like a brilliant traffic controller, strategically redirecting the flow, easing congestion, and gently signaling a quieter pace. The science begins with a remarkable flavonoid called apigenin, the true star of our story. This microscopic marvel is found in abundance within chamomile. When you steep those dried flowers, apigenin is released, and once ingested, it's absorbed into your bloodstream, making its way through the intricate pathways of your body. An illuminating investigation by Amsterdam and colleagues in 2009, published in the Journal of Clinical Psychopharmacology, highlighted chamomile's significant role in modulating anxiety, demonstrating that this subtle intervention can directly influence the neural pathways that often contribute to an elevated heart rate and physiological stress. This isn't just about feeling less stressed, it's about altering the fundamental instructions your brain is sending. Apigenin doesn't just passively float around, it actively seeks out specific neural docking stations, and its preferred destination is where the real magic truly unfolds. This initial calming, however, is just the overture to a far more intricate, cellular-level performance that directly impacts the rhythm of your heart. Here's where it gets truly fascinating. Most people think chamomile is just a gentle sleep aid, shocking scientific reframe, but it's far more precise than that. It's an orchestrator. Apigenin has an extraordinary ability to bind to particular receptors in your brain known as GABA-A receptors. Now, GABA, or gamma-aminobutyric acid, is your brain's primary inhibitory neurotransmitter. Think of it as the off switch for your nervous system. When GABA is activated, it slows down neural activity, reducing excitability and promoting a state of calm. Before chamomile, when stress surges, your sympathetic nervous system is screaming at your body to prepare for action, flooding it with excitatory signals and making your heart race. Your neurons are firing rapidly, an overwhelming cascade of electrical impulses. But then, apigenin arrives. This remarkable compound fits perfectly into a specific site on the GABA-A receptor, much like a precisely cut key sliding into a lock. When apigenin binds here, it doesn't just mimic GABA, it amplifies GABA's natural effects. It essentially makes your brain's off switch even more effective. This binding triggers a chain reaction. It increases the flow of negatively charged chloride ions into the neuron. Imagine those neurons, which were previously firing rapidly, suddenly becoming less receptive to excitatory signals. This hyperpolarization means they are less likely to fire, less likely to transmit those stress-inducing messages. Just let that sink in. This dampening of neural activity directly reduces the outflow from your sympathetic nervous system, the one responsible for your fight or flight response, allowing your parasympathetic nervous system, the rest and digest system, to take the reins. It's this precise molecular instruction that signals your body to relax, to slow down, and most importantly, to allow your heart to ease into a more serene rhythm. This isn't abstract chemistry. This is your body, your heartbeat, being gently guided into a state of profound physiological calm. A pivotal paper by Avallone and colleagues in 2006 featured in Phytotherapy Research meticulously detailed how specific chamomile flavonoids interact with the central nervous system, particularly at these crucial GABA receptor sites, confirming their profound calming influence and the downstream effects on systemic physiological responses. It truly is magnificent. Now, how can you harness this incredible biological insight in your own life? We're talking about more than just a pleasant drink. We're talking about targeted physiological modulation. First, for proactive heart soothing before a potentially stressful event, consider a potent chamomile infusion. Steep 2 to 3 tablespoons of dried chamomile flowers in 1 cup of hot water for at least 10 minutes, covered, to ensure maximum apigenin extraction. Drink this concentrated tea approximately 30 to 45 minutes before you anticipate a stressful meeting, a public speaking engagement, or any situation that tends to elevate your heart rate. The expected biological result is a blunting of the acute stress response, allowing your heart to maintain a more consistent, calmer rhythm throughout the experience. Secondly, for enhanced nocturnal heart regulation and deeper relaxation, integrate chamomile with specific nutrient-rich foods in your evening meal. Pairing your chamomile tea with magnesium-rich foods like dark leafy greens, almonds, or black beans can create a powerful synergy. Magnesium itself is a natural calcium channel blocker and neuromodulator, further enhancing the relaxation of smooth muscles, including those in your blood vessels, and stabilizing neural activity. This combination doesn't just promote sleep, it creates an internal environment where your heart's electrical system can operate with greater ease and fewer disruptive signals throughout the night, leading to a more restorative rest. And for a rapid, almost instantaneous shift in nervous system tone, consider chamomile essential oil through inhalation. While not directly impacting your heart in the same way as ingested compounds, the olfactory pathway is incredibly powerful. Add 3 to 5 drops of pure Roman chamomile essential oil to a diffuser 15 minutes before you want to unwind, or place a single drop onto a cotton ball and inhale deeply for 60 seconds. This sends immediate signals to your limbic system, bypassing digestion and directly communicating with brain regions involved in emotion and stress response, which in turn influences vagal tone. While the direct chemical binding of apigenin is paramount for sustained heart calming, this aromatic pathway offers a swift, complementary neural reset, indirectly supporting a more regulated cardiac rhythm by pulling your entire system back from the brink of activation. You see, chamomile isn't just some quaint, comforting herb. It is a sophisticated biological messenger, a master key designed by nature to interface directly with your body's most fundamental regulatory systems. You now understand that your own body is not a passive recipient, but an intricate, responsive landscape of receptors and signals, capable of profound self-regulation when given the precise tools. Your heart is not just a pump, it is intimately connected to a complex neural symphony, and you, with this knowledge, hold a gentle conductor in your pantry. Every natural remedy holds such incredible secrets, woven into the very fabric of your own biology. Stay curious, continue exploring the profound wisdom nature offers for your inner harmony, and next time, prepare to discover another astonishing revelation about how a simple gift from the earth can orchestrate even more incredible transformations deep within your cells.